Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today we will see the line chart in Power BI desktop. So let's start. We'll see the what is line chart in Power BI and when to use it. Okay. So a line chart is a series of data points that are represented by the dots and the connected by the straight line. A line chart may have one or many lines. So we can use one or many fields for creating the line chart in Power BI desktop. And when to use it, when we have to track changes over the short or long period of time, and when we want to do the time series forecasting or stock market trend analysis, then we can use the line chart in Power BI. Okay, so let's start it in the Power BI desktop. Let's see how to create it in Power BI desktop. Before that, please don't miss to subscribe my channel, and also I have created the playlist for the beginners. I have created the playlist on the real time projects and the task in Power BI. So please do watch it from my description link. Okay, and if you have any question, please don't miss to comment down there. Okay, so let's start with the line chart in Power BI desktop. This is the line chart in Power BI desktop. After clicking over here, we can get this in the Power BI dashboard page. After that, we have to add the fields over here for creating the line chart. So in the axis, we can take the customer segment. We can take the customer segment, and in the legend we can take the product category or other things. So we can see first the sales and profit by customer segment. So in the values we have to take the sales and the profit value, profit and sales and the profit. So here we are able to see the sales and profit by the customer segment in the, and this line chart is showing it in the different color. For sales it is the sky blue, and for profit it's dark blue color according to this customer segment. Okay, so we can able to see the trend over the customer segment. So there are four customer segments: this corporate, home office, consumer, and the small business. And according to this customer segment, the first, the corporate, and the sell the profit for corporate is this, and the sales is this. Okay, so from this particular visual we can analyze like, from customer segment corporate, there is the more number of sales, okay, and less number of profit other than home office, consumer, and the small business. And in the last small business, there is less number of sales and profit is more than the corporate, we can say. So in this way we can analyze this particular visual, and we can do the formatting over here. So from this option we can do the formatting. We can add the legend also. So from this option we can add the legend in this particular visual. So we can take the product category. Okay, we can take the profit. Okay, so we can take the discount legend so that we can able to see it in the line. So by adding the legend and the as a discount, we can able to see the discount percentage, and according to this particular percentage, what is the sell per the sales by customer segment and discount. Okay, so here we can analyze this particular corporate, and this color is showing the 7% discount. So for corporate, the more discount percentage is 7. You can analyze likewise. Okay, so for the formatting, we can change this legend position from here. Like if we want it in the bottom, this will come down, or if we want it in the top, we can set it at the top center and all this position. Okay, the next option is like, we can change the color for that particular legend. We can set the legend name from here. This name will be changed after changing this name, and also bold, italic, and underline we can style it. Okay, We can set the x-axis color, text size, and font family also. You can change this x and y-axis also, color and style of the cells and the customer segment name from this two option. From this option, this is the secondary y-axis for the discount. We added the discount as a legend. So here the secondary y-axis is coming. So we can format that by using this option. We can zoom slider from here. We can set the data colors as we want. We can change the colors for each percentage of discount from here. And from this, if we on this, we are able to see the data labels over this particular dots. Okay, and we can change the display unit of that particular label from here. We can set it in thousand, million, billion, and trillion, and also none. Okay, we can set the position. We can increase and decrease the text size also. And this is the display series label option. From here we are able to see the series label also. Okay, so this is the series label. And from here we can able to set the type like shapes from this for that particular strokes. So we can able to set the joint types, meter, round, and the bevel. Okay, we can set the line style from here, like whatever we want the solid line, dashed line, or the dotted line. Okay, and also we can set the title from here. We can style the title by using this background color and the font color. We can set it, and also we can add the border color and the shadow to this particular visual. In this way we can create the line chart in Power BI desktop. And we'll see in the next video this area chart. This is also like this line chart in Power BI desktop, but in the area chart the this particular area will be colored. Okay, the area between this dot and the line will be colored accordingly. Okay, so we'll see the area chart in the next video. And up to then, please do subscribe my channel for upcoming videos and don't miss to press the bell icon. And thank you so much for watching my videos.